reason you want it so badly is because the future version of yourself already has it. And this idea, it feels so profound and it feels so inspiring, but it teaches us to inhabit a version of ourselves that doesn't even exist yet. If you sit down and think about the last time that you just daydreamed about what could be, you likely didn't accomplish anything during that time. Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest athletes of all time, can teach us how to detach from daydreaming about our potential and how to actually get to work to make our dreams a reality. In 2012, Kobe Bryant was 34 years old and his team had just missed the playoffs. The conversation around him had shifted to how great is Kobe to when will Kobe retire? His response to all of it was notable because after averaging the most points in the NBA at age 34, he had credited it to the fact that he refused to live anywhere except the work directly in front of him. Potential is future tense, performance is present tense, and you can only ever be in one place at a time. When you become hyperfixated on your future self, you start to detach from the process that would actually get you there. Now you're performing as them in your head, while the